Achievement unlocked! You've mastered the incredible power of nested loops and 2D patterns. This week, you unlocked a completely new dimension in programming. With nested loops, you can now create complex 2D patterns that would be difficult with single loops. Let's celebrate everything you've learned. Nested loop basics. Loops inside loops where the inner completes for each outer. Visualization with tables and grids to trace execution. 2D patterns from rectangles to triangles to hollow shapes. And grid systems for games and coordinates. Remember your pattern toolkit. Rectangles use fixed ranges. Triangles use ranges that depend on the outer variable. Hollow shapes use edge conditions. And checkerboards use that clever modulo trick. You've just mastered one of programming's most powerful tools, nested loops. This is a huge accomplishment that deserves a big celebration. This is a major programming milestone. You've mastered nested loops, one of the most powerful pattern-creating tools in all of programming. This skill opens doors to game development, data visualization, and mathematical modeling. Next week, we'll combine these with conditions for even more amazing programs.